Hey guys, before I start today's video, I'd like to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel. It really means a lot to me. And if you haven't subscribed, please help me out by hitting that subscribe button down for me, or just lightly tap that subscribe button. It's free. It's just like how you follow me on my Instagram. It's just like how you add me on my Facebook. It's all free. So why not just smash that subscribe button down for me. And if you haven't already know, my channel is basically about cars and adventures, these two. And obviously in today's video it's going to be about cars. So if you are here for the adventure video, please do not click away, because obviously there's more adventure coming, just that we are all busy with our work and everything lah. So please stay with me, do not unsubscribe, okay? Hey, how's it going guys? Hope you have a good one. So recently I've been a bit slacking on building my engine because I've been a little bit busy with my work. But nonetheless, today we start off well in the afternoon here in Dreamville Center, and hopefully to get back to track on what I've been doing, and also to keep you guys updated on what has been going on my engine. Last week I only came once, and what I did was I was cleaning the I think you call it the valve to make it smooth. Today we're gonna continue doing it because there's a lot of valves. There is 16 valves. Hopefully all went well. Let's go. This is the valve that we're trying to clean it, as you can see. So this is the intake side, and coming out here is the exhaust side. So what we are trying to do is we try to clean the surface of this one by using the grinder, and then I'm not sure you do it, you like turn it around to get the seat of it smooth as well. Right here is all the exhaust valve. As you can see, it's all dark and dirty, so we try our best to clean it as much as we can. So this is how we're going to clean the valve. So this is the end result. We have to make it as smooth as possible, but again, it's a lot of work to make it smooth like that. Yeah, this is only one. It took us quite long to clean it. Yeah. So right here we got two heads. This is my head 4A, and this is the head from the Honda. The right way to do it is to make sure that there is no petrol leaking into it. So that's why I need to do all the grinding part to do it properly, perfect. Really hope that my head is alright. It's still at the very early stage, still got a lot to do. So yeah. So just to brief us, the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna do the grinding, which you saw my friend did it just now, putting that and spin it around here. Valve seat, I think that's what they call it. As you can see, my head, this one is pretty rusty, so it takes a lot of time and patience to do all of this. You basically have to make it perfect sealed so that the petrol won't go inside there. Hi everyone, right now it's a new day, and just to update you guys what has happened with the head. I keep thinking and thinking it takes too much time to do just the head itself. Everything is poured, the exhaust and the intake is done porting it. Just now I further port it to make it smooth around the exhaust side. Also right now just left the valve seal, or the valve seat, I'm not sure what you call it, the one that is around the valve, and that one you really need a lot of time and patience to do it, and you have to do it perfectly. Make sure there is no leak when you pour any petrol on it, and if there is leak you have to take it out and you have to do it one more time with your hand. So it takes a lot of time, and for me to actually drive up to Kota Samarahan here, the time to do it, the cost is it's not really worth it. So what I was thinking is, I think I just send it to shop to let the professional do it perfect. So they're gonna help me to skim it, to bore it, and to make sure the valve seal, everything is perfect. And I think that is a better solution for it. I'm not sure.
2,000 years later.
Hey, how's it going guys? Hope you have a good one. So today I'm at my friend's shop. It's been a few weeks already since my last video because I've been waiting for my head to be done. It's finally done, and then we realized we haven't cleaned the piston itself because there's a carbon build up at the piston. So what I was doing just now was cleaning the piston, and hopefully today I can assemble everything to make sure the piston, the crank, the block, everything can be fit together. So just to catch you guys up to speed, this is the head that I got back from shop. And then just now what we are doing is we are cleaning the piston because there is a lot of carbon built up here. So what we did is we try to brush it off as much as we can, make it clean, and then hopefully we can assemble the piston, the crank and the block together to make sure everything can fit. Because last time this block was cracked, so everything we have to find new one. Even this block was from another place coming, this piston is from another place, that crank is also from another place coming in, so we're not sure whether it can fit perfectly or not. So hopefully, cross finger, it can fit. Also, since I'm here, might as well just show you. This is one of their cars. They are so-called building it as well. They are doing an engine swap. What engine is going to be in here, I'm not going to review it, but this is the engine that is coming out from this car. So again, if you need to do any of this thing, you know who to find. Dream Wheel Center is the way to go, and they will make sure to hook you up with anything that you need. Just let them know that you are coming from my video, and they will give you a special treat. Alright? So right now I'm putting the ring into this piston. New and fresh ring. So this is how it turns out. Pretty nice and clean. Piston ring done.